want their dogs. Little fella looked up at me, jumped a mile high, was in his eyes. He knew humans were dumb. He knew no one loved anyone. So who's really on the leash? Dog laughed at me and barked at you. Who's the fool? Who's the one who breaks the rules? Little tower, you're on a leash. That's what people trust their pets, and you're never the least. Dog laughed at you. So who's the fool? I walk around the block and see all meant for me. That's why people trust the eyes of a 1-foot pet. Better yet, we're the scourge of the world. Look at who runs things now. The dog laughed at me. That's why they bark so loud, acting so peculiar. Dog barked at you. So who's the fool? Leading who on a leash? 'Cause you're the least thing important to me.